what I did was went on Splice and found like perk loops or drum loops, and then scrub through like a loop, and then I take a very tiny part of it that I really like and then just place it in. So if you do that a lot in a bunch of different tracks, it makes it sound really interesting. I would not have been able to like do this or like think about that and like manually, I don't know. I just like taking loops and then just have rhythm. I don't know. So anyways, yeah. I have a lot on the drum bus group, 750 cut. I take that out of pretty much everything because when I do it, it sounds better. So I'm gonna keep doing it. There are no rules. And then I have an API 2500 on the bus, mix up just a little bit, but just kind of glue. Just kind of brings everything to attention, I guess. Yeah, then that shaker comes in. Then I have this tape, then I have another Pro Q bringing down more 750 and then some high end, just so it's not as like crispy. I don't know, it all kind of blends together. And then I have this tape just to get the satch a little bit. Also, another thing I have is redux on the bus on a send. So I duplicate the dry channel and then bring the redux. And I take a little bit of low end because without the low end cut and the redux channel, that it just adds a lot of low end. So I like it just, that's cool, honestly, by itself, but then blend it in. You can just kind of hear that. Yeah. Take the bits all the way down. I don't know, I love this little plugin, it's awesome. That actually kind of sounds like If Only I Could Wait, that little keys patch, that is super sick. But it's just that's just something chopped up. Keep it rhythmic. I don't like things that are going on too long, otherwise your brain kind of forgets about it if it's going out going in the whole time. So to keep it interesting, you kind of have to chop things that just come in and out. It's got this brigade delay on it. My favorite type of delay is a bucket brigade delay. Honestly, sounds good without the delay too. Nah, it sounds better though. It sounds a little more musical. Trailing off. Yeah, what else is going on here? Not much. Yeah. That was just a little piano thing. I played like a whole piano thing, and then I just found this one chop that I just really liked. And sometimes you just have to delete everything else in order to use that one thing, because that's all it needs, just on the left side. That's it. And then it comes in again right here. It just kind of comes in throughout in random places. Where's all that? Yeah, more piano parts. Just kind of in and out. Yeah, nothing too crazy. It's just keep it interesting, keep things coming in and out. This bass is going the whole time. This is just a UAD mini Moog, which I think sounds amazing. And then I'm just playing the pitch wheel up and down. And then I have a chorus on it, the Brigade chorus, my favorite chorus, UA. And then roar in mid-side mode, and the sides are, I don't know, without it. Yeah, it just spreads it out, sounds amazing. You can hear click and me tracking those acoustics because it was super light. My bad. And then there's little ones that come in that I just pitched up and like double timed it. Sounds great, sounds great. That's just going the whole time, honestly. Okay, vocals are really interesting. I have my lead vocal. Just hard auto-tune. Some high end out of it because it's crispy. Some 750 high pass, pretty large. And then I have a bunch of parallel effects going on. Just painting pictures of Yeah, this is thermal, which is distorting the sides. You can see it's super wide right there. And then I have a room. My favorite ambience preset in Valhalla is just room, basically. Honestly, I can distort that even a little. What is this? A little cool. I love this plugin. It's one of my favorite plugins. Cool. Then I have a little Echo Boy on the Brigade setting, the Memory Man. Sounds really good. Blended in with this Alter Boy and micro shift, so it's spread out. And then all those together. Something. Make clear. 'Cause everything's been changing lately. I like how it doesn't sound really auto-tuned. It's basically, you can kind of hear some flutters, which I think is cool. But then on this track, it's called Timbre Resynth, Secret Weapon, highly recommend. Just sounds insane. Yeah, and that's taking the lead vocal information and then this sample information. I use that all the time. Just using those chords, and I have it on LFO mode. You can even bring it up. Maybe let's do like 16th. You could do fourths, and then you can do glide all the way up, and it's crazy. Maybe not all the way up, but you can hear it glide into each chord. And it's just a more interesting vocoder kind of thing, blended in with the... I've been climbing my way up, painting pictures of the future. And then I have these oohs and ahs coming in that are just high-pitched. Yeah, they just kind of come in and out. I could literally nerd out about this stuff all day. If you want me to go deeper and you want me to review your song, book a call with me. Link is in the description. It's super sick. It's super helpful. It'll save you a lot of years of figuring stuff out, because I've just been doing this for like 15 years, and I know now, like, I can get these songs done quickly because I know like what works and what needs to happen and everything. So I've been climbing my way up, painting pictures of the future. I thought was made clear, 'cause everything's been changing lately. No, I'm not so sure about it. Who I thought I'd be. And that's it. It sounds pretty much like Bon Iver, in my opinion. Kind of, but it also sounds like me. So I also recommend that, you know, copy your favorite artist and then figure out how you can make it sound like you, and then it'll sound like you. So anyways, thanks for watching. Love you guys. See you on the next one. Bye.